Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl E. If you are new, please hit the subscribe and notification button so you don't have to miss what I have to share. In this video, we're talking about how to manifest in the scripting method. And here's a little rundown on how to manifest, period. Doesn't have to necessarily be scripting, but when you're manifesting, always stay in a positive mindset. And it'll be harder for you to manifest anything if you're constantly in a negative mindset. Number 2 is say it as if it's already done, like whatever it is. Think of it as it's already done or in the present moment, never in the future. Number 3, don't spend time thinking about anything of the opposite that you want. Let's say you're trying to save more money. Don't think of yourself as broke or bankrupt. Think of yourself as rich and abundant. If you're constantly overthinking of the opposite of what you want, that will become your reality. Number 4 is meditate and visualize of what you want. Just think about where you want to be at if you don't like where you are at life right now. Number 5 is see it, smell it, hear it, feel it. Let's say that you want to manifest a new car. You want to see what the car looks like. You want to imagine how the steering wheel feels in your hands. You want to smell the new car smell. You want to hear the engine start up, all of that. Number 6, if it is real in your brain, it is real in the physical. It can be real in the physical. You just have to believe that this will work for you. If you have an inch of doubt, it's going to be hard for you to attract it. Here's a disclaimer. If you've been trying to manifest something and it's not been coming, don't worry. That doesn't mean that it's not on its way. Let's get into the scripting part, the main focus of this video. So this is my main scripting journal. I got this from Walmart. It says, worry less, pray more. I think it is the most cutest thing ever. It's purple. You got the gold. I used to write often in this journal, but I'm starting to get back into it now, so I thought, why not make a video? I can give y'all an example of what I wrote down that actually came true. So here's a good example. I wrote down about my first apartment. I wrote the date of when I wrote this, May 8th, 2021, and I wrote down that I wanted to move in July 1st, 2021. And I wrote down exactly how I wanted the apartment to look, and I actually moved into this apartment around late June. I wrote everything down in the past tense as if it was already happening. I was like, on July 1st, I am so happy and grateful now. That's how I start out every sentence. I am so happy and grateful now that whatever you want to manifest, and just run with it. Finally moved into my first apartment. I have a walk-in closet. I have a roomy bedroom. My living room is large. All of that stuff. And now I'm sitting in the apartment that I manifested, and I said I want all of my furniture to be pink and white and marble. And it's not fully furnished yet, but once I get this all furnished, I'll definitely be making a video apartment tour very soon. Now I'll give y'all an example of what I do want to manifest for my next apartment. In this one, I went into very deep detail, even down to the apartment complex being a gated community. Like, I went down to the nitty-gritty of even how the neighbors are peaceful and quiet. It's pretty lengthy, and it goes into the next page. I'm gonna just read about halfway through, but y'all will get what I'm trying to say, as if to write it down as if it's in the past tense and it's already happening. So I said, I am so happy and grateful now that I live in my luxury apartment. It is beautiful, it's safe, it's a gated community. I live on the top floor. My neighbors are respectful. My apartment is humongous. I have a bedroom and 2 bathrooms. My bedroom is upstairs with my bathroom. I have a guest bathroom downstairs. I have chandeliers. I have window from roof to ceiling to floor. I have a walk-in closet. Can't forget about the walk-in closet. I have a 24-hour gym. You never want to say like the words want and need, as if it's in a desperate state, because it'll be harder for you to reach that goal. So we'll do a new one just for fun. So I'm going to write about a new car, because your girl need a new car, because Uber everywhere is a little expensive. Start off by dating the paper. It is March 27th, 2022. And I'm gonna start off by saying I am so happy and grateful now. I'm going to give myself 3 months. I want to write down that I have this car by June. Here's what I wrote down so far. I said, I am so happy and grateful now that I received my car. It is all paid off. It is the month of June, and I get to ride around in my Honda Accord, because that's the car that I want next. And I get to blast my music. It has a fresh new car smell, and it is all black with comfortable interior. So I wrote down how it looks like, how it smells like, how it feels like, and what I hear. I hear my music. I feel the comfortable interior. I see that it's all black and it smells like that new car smell. So when you're scripting, you really want to get into all the details of what you want into whatever you're trying to manifest. Important thing is writing in the present tense and staying positive. Once I get this car, I'm gonna let y'all know. And if y'all enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If y'all are just now beginning this, let me know. Just know that if it is real in your brain, it could be real in the physical. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next video.